Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create the stunning girth zoom effect in CapCut step by step. This effect is a cool way to create a dramatic zoom scene and make your videos stand out. Huge thanks to AAEs for sponsoring this video. Their 100% free AI tools are truly amazing. They offer tools like photo to cartoon, an amazing AI profile picture generator, and many more. All the tools are super easy to use, so let me show you one of my favorites, the AI Object Remover. On the AAE's homepage, go to the AI Removal tab, select AI Object Remover, and click Try AI Object Eraser. Then upload an image from your device. I'll use this one as an example. Adjust the brush to your preferences, then drag over the person or object you want to remove. The next step is to click on Remove and wait for the process to complete. After that, click the download button in the upper right corner to save the image. Here is the image before and after using this awesome tool. On the AAE's website, you'll find many free AA tools that are great for professional use, like selling edited photos on Fiverr, tools like photo restoration which gives great results in seconds, and others like blur background or the AA avatar generator can be very useful. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try AAEs for free. It's super easy to use and you'll be able to create amazing edits with just a few clicks. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. Before we dive into editing the video in CapCut, we'll first use a web browser to access Google Earth Studio and create a custom Earth video to showcase the desired location. We'll click on Try Earth Studio. If you're new, you'll need to request access and wait for an approval email. I've already got mine. Here we'll click on Quick Starts, where you'll find great pre-made camera movements like point-to-point, spiral and more, perfect for creating captivating videos. For this video, I'll use the Zoom to option, but feel free to choose any option you like. Then we will click Start. The next step is to enter the location for the video we'll add to CapCut later. Once it appears, you can adjust the camera position using the pan, zoom and orbit options. When we are done, we will click the arrow on the right side of the screen, then we will adjust the beginning of the video with simple mouse movements. I'm going to position it like this, then we will click the arrow on the right side of the screen. Now we can set the video's duration, then we will move on the next step, the timeline. Here you can add keyframes and adjust the camera position however you like. I'm happy with the video, so I won't change anything. If you are good with it, just click the render button in the top right. After that, position the watermark, enter the video name, adjust the settings to your preference and click submit. Wait a bit, then you'll receive an email with a link to easily download the video. The next step is to open CapCut, import the videos from your location, and then the video you created in Google Earth. Now we will add the Earth video to the timeline and then remove the part of the video after the movement. Now we are going to add the next video. I'm going to add this drone video and after that I'll add this video. You can add any video from your location to the timeline. Before I show you the next step, I'm going to trim my video. The next step is to click on the Transitions tab, then go to the Camera sub-tab, select the pull-in animation and add it between the clips. On the right side, let's set the duration, then move on to the next step. We need to select the Audio tab and find the right sound effect for the transition. I'll add this whoosh sound effect to the timeline. Align it with the transition and then adjust the volume as needed. Here is the final result after editing. If you want more awesome CapCut tips, check out this playlist. And if you want to fix blurry videos, watch this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop any questions you have in the comments below.